Hello all. Every year, Youth Work Week provides us with a really valuable opportunity to raise the profile of youth work, to celebrate its impact, and to come together to share best practice. A lot has happened since last summer when I launched the new strategy, which set out our shared vision for youth work in Wales. As we entered 2020, we were on course for a great year, working together to implement that vision and demonstrating the impact good youth work has on young people, public services and government agendas. Then, of course, the world as we know it changed beyond belief. And in order to help secure frontline support to young people in Wales, work on delivering the strategy was sadly paused. But that is when this sector really showed its strength. Almost immediately, youth workers the length and breadth of the country started finding alternative ways of supporting young people in Wales. It has been amazing to see you delivering youth work online, over the phone, through windows, across gardens, and in 100 other new and creative ways. Youth workers have always, in many instances, been instrumental in supporting the delivery of safe spaces for our vulnerable children and for those of key workers in schools and hub settings. You have helped them to settle, learn and have fun during a period of massive uncertainty for them. This support has been delivered at a difficult time for us all, and many youth work organisations are facing particularly challenging circumstances as part of their efforts to continue delivering vital support to young people. I therefore want to say a heartfelt thank you to each and everyone. I'm impressed by the way that you have risen to the challenge, and I remain so grateful for your contributions that have made such a difference to young people, but also to your partners' efforts across the education family and beyond. As we start to move forward and out of this current crisis, it will be vital that we learn from what has been achieved during this difficult time. Youth workers have a unique and essential set of skills which we will need to harness as we establish new ways of working in the future. This will bring benefits not just within education, but across all sectors that support young people in Wales. So, in conclusion, I hope that you all enjoy Youth Work Week, despite it being so very, very different this year. And thank you all, once again, for your tremendous hard work. Diolch yn fawr.